Hey everyone, my name is Jonah John. I am 23 years old and I was born, raised, and currently live in Lexington, Kentucky. Some of you might know where Lexington is. Lexington's kind of, I would say, about an hour south, a little bit east of Louisville, and it's about an hour almost directly south from Cincinnati. So it's a fairly big town. It's not as big as Louisville, but it's a pretty cool place. I really enjoy it. I went to the University of Kentucky for a degree in medical laboratory science, which is basically a 4-year bachelor's degree in what you would currently see as a lab tech in hospitals. So if you go to the hospital, you get your blood drawn. I'm usually the guy who ends up having to test it and make sure that everything's okay, and then I release reports to the doctor. We do a lot of microbiology testing, a lot of chemistry testing, hematology testing, and we also do blood bank work. So if you need blood products, we are the ones who are certified to release the blood products for you if you need them. I'm currently pursuing a master's in molecular pathology, which is basically a subset of laboratory technology. It's about actually a lot of DNA, RNA, and genetic testing, which is why this class is pretty important for the program, and it's the only prerequisite I think I have left to apply for that program. And a little bit more about molecular testing. Right now, it's kind of a good indication if you've had any type of COVID testing done where they stick a giant swab up your nose until you can't feel like you're getting hit in the back of the throat. That is a PCR test it's a PCR test that we do, and there's several different platforms you can put it on. One is called BioFire, which is a PCR analysis, and then there's other more lengthy processes that are all usually PCR tests where you basically replicate a piece of DNA or RNA and amplify it so that the machine can detect it. That's what I'm really interested in. That technology is being pushed into other areas like microbiology and also blood banks. So I want to eventually either be in the part of like researching it or just basically taking newer systems that they're going to put out in the future, which I'm pretty sure about, and take those new systems and put them into the areas and help people learn how to use them. So when it eventually gets to the point where it's in blood bank, I want to be able to help people, be with a group of people to help install these programs into new hospitals. Thanks for your time, guys. I really enjoyed introducing what I'm really interested in, and I am looking forward to taking this class with you.